It's time to clean and wash. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Betty. If you're new here, karibu sana, and if you're returning, asante sana. It's also a new month, the month of July, and guess what? It's my birthday month. So if you're thinking of gifting me, guys, the best way to gift me would be subscribing to my YouTube channel and putting on that notification bell on so that every time I upload a video, you will be the first person to be notified. Anyway, as I said, it's time to clean and wash. So believe it or not, we haven't washed our clothes since we moved into this place, and it's been over a month now. And let me say, our laundry baskets are just overflowing. We had a challenge, setting up the washing machine because of where it's placed. So finding an outlet and an inlet was a bit hard. It's close to the door, so it's easy to get an outlet, but it's a bit far from the sink where we can get an inlet from. So I had to sort out a few plumbers to assist me with that, and we finally got it sorted out and we are ready to wash. I'm going to show you the installation process, and then we are going to clean, and later on we are going to wash. I'm also happy that it's inside so that I'm able to clean it. In our previous apartment, it was outside and it was a bit hard to clean it, and it was, accumulating a lot of dust. So I'm definitely happy that it's inside and I can enjoy washing at the comfort of our home. So yeah, let's get right into the video, and I hope you guys will enjoy it.
Chini. Tapa 2 in 1 tap, right? Oopsie. I think ni kubwa. So this one broke. It's actually broken, which is quite sad, which means I have to buy another one to replace this. Finally have a new one. Oopsie. Yanatoka hapa hivi. Kufunika niangalika naweza pata. No, I need to clean it first. Yay! A year moment. It's finally working. So this is the final outcome. It will be like that. Here. So these have been removed from behind. So these are the ones that hold the washing machine when you are transporting it from one place to another, so that the drum does not get spoiled.
Eyes locked from across the room, high sweat dripping, bright neon lights. She moves smooth, heart skipping tunes. I'm lost in a rhythm as the bass ignites. Curves like poetry, tender whispers in the air. Touch send shivers, electrify my skin. In this crowded haze, we ignite the flare. Love connection where we both fit. two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires, wild and free, no labels define our story. We're dancing in the dark, a trace of glory. Go, a trance of glory. Beneath the opalescent lights, our worlds collide. We touch electric sparks, flying as our hands glide. In the hum of the crowded room, her words cut clear. A dialogue profound, pulling me near. No pretense in a grip, no hollow words spit. Only the truth of the moment, thrill that's real. In the swirl of dim lights and fleeting glances, we found a rhythm of our own, taking our chances. Her voice a melody, touch a guide. Chaos of the night, we chose not to hide. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires, wild and free, no labels define our story. We're dancing in the dark, a trace of glory. Go, trance of glory. Eyes locked from across the room, high sweat dripping, bright neon lights. She moves smooth, heart skipping tunes. I'm lost in a rhythm as the basic man. Curves like poetry, tender whispers in the air. The touch sends shivers, electrifying our skin. In this crowded haze, we ignite the flare. Love connection where we both fit. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires, wild and free, no labels define our story. We're dancing in the dark, a trace of glory. Go, a trance of glory. Beneath the opalescent lights, our worlds collide. We touch electric sparks, flying as our hands glide. In the hum of the crowded room.
Guys, we have one cat remaining, and this is the one. It's called Coco, very stubborn, you know, but Yeah. Anyway guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Our clothes are now drying. What, Coco? What? Okay, let me put you down. Oh my god, the sound that you make, it's like I'm killing you. Anyway, guys, we have come to the end of this vlog. I'm happy our clothes are finally cleaned and drying. I've only done one load. I will do the rest of the loads once the ones that are outside are dry. I'll see you guys on my next video. In the meantime, let me go and feed Coco because the sounds that it's producing, you'd think I'm strangling it. Yeah. Bye bye.
No labels define